Alrighty, figured I'd do a little video of my John Deere 300b we got here. This thing is, I don't even know, I haven't even looked at the serial number on it, but it's probably late 70s. I only made them from like 73 to 81 or something like that. But this is it's only two-wheel drive. It's a 2.5 liter, I think it is, 3-cylinder diesel. Oh, it's nutless. I think they rated them at like 43 PTO horse or some crap like that. Does have shuttle shift, high and low range, which is nice. This one's got the optional industrial loader shit on it. And this one, no backhoe, but does have the 3-point and the PTO. There's my custom bale spear I made. Got the tire chains on this thing because I push snow around with it and it just helps out. Two-wheel drive, I mean, shit, gotta get that traction somewhere. Oh yeah, I got custom clamp jobby here on top of the injection pump. One of the bolts was broke off. This is not something I did. Two other little screws there just weren't cutting it. She builds a little pressure in there. So I figured a clamp from Harbor Freight will do, and that's been doing me good there. I did put a new little gasket seal thing on there. It's like a little flat O-ring. Put that on there, that helped out with the clamp. But yeah, I just use this thing to do a bunch of shit. Clearing off some topsoil here so I can add some gravel. Not be so muddy. I need to do some wiring to this thing. It's a little shish kebab. Got a little vice grip going on. Terminal fucking bolt melted off. Gotta unhook the positive side, otherwise it won't. Or it will die overnight. And then you got the here. That's how my push button took a shit. I have this on here. Oh, look at that! Fucking, come on. Well, now I gotta just touch it too. Anyway, jump box just in case. Extra battery up here. It's got the Sims cab on it, which is nice, but it is loud. It's loud as hell. Way loud. Oh, I don't even know what else. 60 degrees today. This thing will have no trouble. Get a good connection here. This ought to be something now. Oh, you're the teach. She fired right up. Wow, that's actually really unusual for this thing. Damn, she wants to run today. Really weird getting in and out of this thing too. The bucket is about shot. You can see that rotted right out of there. I welded that plate in back there a couple years ago. That's held in. The rest of the bucket's good. There's some forks off some other bucket loader deal. I made these bracket things and used the through shaft and the forks, and I welded them on there. Haven't had any issues yet. I still got to make the holdback deals for them instead of the chain. The chain works, but they still get the flopping around depending on how rough you're being. That's pretty sweet. Oh. Actually, it loves it. Pretty squidgy for it when it's cold. Oh, still smoking. That's pointy, and that's my tractor.